I've been asked again to make a special announcement. Special announcement to the winners. There's a Frenchman at the stage door offering to pay $43 an ounce for your Oscars. Looks an awful lot like Charles de Gaulle. And now to continue the drain on our gold supply, here is a beautiful young actress who once co-starred with me in a picture, and a handsome young actor who never got that kind of break, but made it anyway. Elke, Sommer, and Richard Crenna.
The men we now honor, the sound effects specialists, are those dedicated technicians whose job it is to make sure you never fall asleep in the theater.
And nominated for the best achievement in sound effects are John Poyner for The Dirty Dozen and James A. Richard for In the Heat of the Night.
You do the honors, Elke.
All right. Now shall I open the envelope loudly or softly?
Quickly.
All right. And the winner is John Poyner for The Dirty Dozen.
Accepting for John Poyner, Mr. Keith Olson.
John is very sorry that he was not able to be here tonight, but he asked me to thank all the members of the Academy for this wonderful Oscar, and a special thanks to Mr. Robert Aldrich and everybody at MGM for all the help. Thank you.